We live on the most beautiful planet Earth, which have very clean and attractive nature full of greenery. Nature includes us all the resources to live here. It gives water to drink, air to breathe, land to stay, and food to eat. We should fully enjoy the nature without disturbing its balance. Nature is the most precious gift given by the God to enjoy, but not to harm. Nature includes us all: forests, sky, trees, green plants, rivers, animals, birds, mountains, valleys, etc. Thank you.